Hello again for our fourth session, where we are going to talk about the interest rate and the mortgage process to the banks. So let's go ahead and talk about this, where we mentioned about it earlier in previous sessions. We talk about the types, the ownerships, the fees, and a lot of other details that you need to go back about it and watch the previous sessions if you didn't watch it earlier. So to talk about the unlock opportunities, session 4, financing your real estate investment for the mortgage buyer. The agenda. When we talk about the agenda, we are talking about mortgage option and types, financing process, down payment, and the interest rate. Mortgage option types, financing process, down payment, and interest rate. About me again, it's 10 years in UAE, managing multiple portfolios for stocks and real estate investments. When you talk about mortgage option, we are talking about the mortgage type of loan used to purchase, maintain home loan, and the other types of real estates. I'm talking about mortgage for loans. So you have three types of mortgages. You have fixed rate, interest rate, fixed rate, you have variable, and you have the Islamic mortgage. Fixed rate mortgage that over consisting, you have fixed rate, give you flexibility, stability, monthly payment, and potential drawn packs of that investments of this mortgage. Variable rate mortgage is type of loan that interest rate is not fixed, so whatever changes in the interest in the bank, it will be changed, and it depends on the market condition. And Islamic mortgage that applied with Sharia compliance. The financing process is you are looking to purchase a property, is a process of finding fund for your investments, either business, real estate, car, anything you think about is a process to fund your the things that you want to purchase or invest in. So mortgage application, how we can go? You have the document requirement, okay, such as proof of income, document, your IDs, passport, and etc. And they will check your eligibility criteria and the compliance of the application form. The eligibility is that showing to you that how much your eligibility that for you is to make sure successful mortgage applications such as like credit history and income level, property value, and etc. This all they will be on to analyze your application. So we'll go to the mortgage, the process. The second one is financing process is you get the approval, okay, that's securing your financing for your real estate investment. Credit assessment that when they will evaluate, as we said, your income stability criteria and everything, and the property valuation. So the property valuation is for you to evaluate your property, such as location, size, condition, and ensure everything worth for your amount. But see, now, for example, real example, me, I'm gonna purchase a property. I will go to the bank and ask, I need a pre-approval for how much you're gonna give me. So based on that, I know the first initial step is how much the bank will give me. And based on that, I'll start looking within the value. and I will go back. I'll start looking within this. I like property. I'll submit because I have the pre-approval from the bank that he's okay to give me that money. I will go. I'll submit all the document. I'll purchase it. I'll give the down payment for this property. I will go how much, depend on how much, and they will analyze it for me. And they will do evaluation for the property, and based on the evaluation, they will give me. They said this is the final offer. We're gonna give you based on this, either plus or minus. Pre-approval is this is the maximum I'm gonna give you. If it's okay, okay. If not, then I will go for another option. So, and this is the process. They will say okay, and we'll move ahead for the next step. The down payment is the amount that a buyer pay upfront for the property. Okay. It's a payment. Usually it's 20% of the value to be secured in your any investment that you want. Car, property, anything. You can pay whatever, but as standard is 20%. The interest rate is the amount that lender that they put a percentage on the principal that you're gonna take. So you're gonna interest rate is the amount, the interest that the bank they will charge me for it, that for the money they will give me. So if I borrow 10,000 and maybe the interest rate is 0.5%, half percent, which is mean. So he will charge, I will pay that 50% to the bank. So the impact on interest rate when it's low, okay, we need to understand the impact of interest rate when it's low, when it's high. So when its interest rate is low, so the borrowing, it will be much easier, much faster, and you feel the process of getting fund is much higher and it boosts your economic growth. However, if it's high, that it will reduce the spending and the investment part. Interest rate option, as we know, is if it's fixed or variable. Okay, fixed, which is mean into like it will be fixed interest rate for the period, for certain period of time. Variable, it will be changed based on the economic conditions. So fixed, it usually sometimes some of the banks they will give fixed interest rate for 3 months. However, variable, it depends on the economic condition and based on the federation. So if it's increase, if it's change on their meeting, it will be changed for you in the each period of time. So interest rate factors, sorry. So it based on the economic condition that affect the interest rate. Secondly, it will be on the central bank policies. Third, in the global financial trend. So when you are talking about economic conditions, so economic conditions play the main role of the interest rate, including inflation, deflation, unemployment, overall performance. So this is all effort. This is all affects the interest rate. So it will affect them from the inflation, if it's high or low, unemployment, the condition about it, the central bank policies is like the fluctuation and the achieved price to make stability of the economy and global trend in terms of different factors like wars, for example, political aspects, social aspects, like not technical as well. Multiple factors are affect the global functional natural crisis. So all these are playing the main role of economics. So the interest rate factors, it play in different roles in the economy. So as well, this is as well a quick presentation about the mortgage process. So if you have any questions that relate to economic, it's related to the mortgages and pre-approval or anything that related to your investment and how to start your investment in real estate in UAE, in Dubai as well, please reach me out. And if you have any question, please drop it to my email. And you can reach me in different phone and social media account. And let's start your investment journey from today. Thank you so much and wish you a lovely evening and wherever you watch. Have a great day. Bye bye.